Climb inside the 2015 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This four-door sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, power trunk closing assist, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.